Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried okra. Very delicious to eat and very crunchy. I hope you will try this at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and leave a comment. Thank you so much. So let's begin. I'm going to start by cutting my okra into bite-sized pieces, like so. So what I have here is half a pound of okra, which is 250 grams. For this, I'm going to add 1 egg. Crack an egg first. Alright, and mix it well. I'm going to now leave this for 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't like egg or want to make it into a vegetarian version, you can add buttermilk to it. Now let's make the coating that we're going to be using. First I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of semolina. If you like cornmeal, you can add cornmeal. I have semolina available in my house at the moment, so I'm using semolina. Otherwise, you can also use cornmeal. Next, to make sure that my okra comes out nice and crunchy, I'm using about 3 to 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. You can use tapioca starch, potato starch, whichever starch is available at home, use it. Season our flour. First I'm going to add about a teaspoon of black pepper. Next I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I like garlic powder. Add some chili flakes. It's half a teaspoon of chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of Italian seed mixed herbs. That's mixed herbs. Next I'm going to add some salt. Mix everything well. Now to this, I'm going to add my okra, which was soaking in the egg. Okay. I'm now going to cover this lid and shake it. Shake it till everything gets coated well. See? Alright, now they're ready to fry. my oil is nice and hot. I'm now going to add my okra. They nicely turned brown. I'm now going to remove them out. Look how crunchy they look. Wow. So here you go. My okra is ready. Look how delicious and crunchy they are. I hope you will try this at home. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this. Bye bye. Let's go ahead and try one. Crunchy.